guys, this is Teacher M and welcome to my videos under 3 minutes. Today's video is about how to view a returned classwork like a quiz by your teacher in Google Classroom. Step 1. Make sure you are logged into your account in Google, and then from your app drawer you can either click this one, which is Google Classroom, or just type in your URL classroom.google.com. Once you're done with that, step 2 is to click on the particular class. Okay. You will be presented with your stream, but we are not interested with this one as of the moment. We would like to view your classwork. Okay. In your classwork, you will be presented with the lessons and activities posted by your teacher, but we want to view your work. So click this view your work icon. And there you go. You have one quiz returned by your teacher so far. Click on the quiz if you want to view the result. And then your teacher might have commented or made some comments to your quiz. Just click on the quiz attachment. And there you go. Okay, so this is just an example, so there are no comments inside. Press escape, and you also got one comment from your teacher. There you go. So that's how to view a returned classwork from your teacher in Google Classroom. Hope you like it. So please subscribe and like this video. Thank you.